Hi, I'm Jason Houtsma, co-founder of Worship Artistry. I have been leading worship for 20 years, and whether in an auditorium or someone's living room, the times that matter the most to me are the times when I wasn't thinking about the chord chart or worried about the tempo of the next song or where my riff should come in, but instead was playing confidently and expressing my heart through my instrument. Worship Artistry exists to make that possible for every worship musician. We do it by creating detailed, licensed song tutorials for bass, drums, a single keyboard, acoustic guitar, a single electric guitar, and 3-part harmony. The team most churches actually have. Every lesson features play-along videos, detailed teaching chapters, practice loops at different speeds, and transposable tabs, sheet music, and chord charts. We also include solo leading chapters for acoustic guitar and keyboard, just in case you don't have the whole team with you. Additionally, our unique teaching environment allows players to focus on the parts they need and skip the ones they don't. Yeah, we don't like wasting time either. If your team has the heart, we can teach them the skill. We hope to see you there.